In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send email from Google Sheets automatically. Google Sheets Gmail integration. Start by opening your Google Sheet. This can be a new spreadsheet or an existing one where you already have a list of contacts. Before you begin, it helps to make sure your sheet includes a column that contains the recipient email addresses, since the Mail Merge tool will use that column to send messages. Next, go to the top menu and click Extensions. From there, choose Add-ons and then select Get Add-ons. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can install tools that add extra features to Google Sheets. In the search bar, type Highlight and look for an add-on called Mail Merge. Click Mail Merge, then click Mail Merge again on its listing to open the install page. Select the option to continue, and then choose the Google account you want to use for sending emails. You will see a permissions screen, review it, then proceed through the prompts by clicking the highlighted options shown on screen, and finish by clicking Done. This completes the connection so the add-on can work with your Google Sheets and Gmail. Now return to your spreadsheet. Click the highlighted area indicated in your sheet to continue, then go back to Extensions again. This time, hover over or select Mail Merge and click Start. This opens the Mail Merge Setup panel, where you will map your spreadsheet information into an email. In the Setup panel, click to Emails, then click From Email Account, and then click Email To. This is where you confirm which column contains your recipient addresses. Next, click From Display Name and enter the name you want recipients to see as the sender. Keep it professional and consistent, especially if you are sending to a large list. Then click Subject and type your email subject line. After that, click Body Template and create the message content you want to send. Take your time here and double-check spelling and formatting, because this template will be used across your recipients. When everything looks correct, click Merge Emails. Finally, click Save to store your settings so you can reuse them later without reconfiguring the entire setup. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.